Here we've got OnePlus 6 Pro, and let me show you how to activate and use portable hotspot on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select Wi-Fi and Internet, and here you will notice hotspot and tethering. Here go to Wi-Fi hotspot, and if you'd like to activate portable hotspot, just tap on this switcher. And now it's active, you can share network with other devices, and also here you'll be able to see the connected devices. Then if you would like to switch off Wi-Fi hotspot, tap here. If you would like to change the hotspot name and also the password, just click on hotspot password, and here you can change it, delete the current one and enter a new one. Just remember that the password must have at least 8 characters, and tap on OK. You can also share network via QR code, so if it would be active, you will be able to share this QR code with the password. But also, if you would like to activate it pretty quickly, all you have to do is to slide down the upper bar and locate hotspot icon. Here it is. If you click once, it will be active. And also here you will be able to see connected devices, and then you can switch hotspot off by tapping here again. So this is it, that would be all. This is how you can activate portable hotspot, how you can personalize it and share it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.